Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving deep into a really powerful process that's happening inside your body as we speak. It might just be the key to better health, and maybe even slowing down the clock on aging.
You know, we're all looking for that magic bullet, right? That one simple thing to keep us feeling vital and energetic. Well, what if I told you that the secret isn't out there in some pill or potion, but it's actually already built right into you?
Okay, so let's get right to the heart of it. Every single day, your cells are hard at work. And just like any busy factory, they produce waste. We're talking about old, worn-out proteins and broken parts that, if they stick around, can really start to slow you down and contribute to aging and disease.
But here's the amazing part. Your body has this brilliant, built-in solution for dealing with all that junk. It's a discovery that's so important, so fundamental to how we work, that it actually won the Nobel Prize.
So let's start by really digging into this junk problem. I want you to think of your body, for a second, like a really busy house.
I mean, imagine if you never took out the trash at home. It would get messy, right? Things would start to break down. It wouldn't be a very pleasant place to be. Well, believe it or not, the exact same thing happens inside every single one of your cells.
And when that junk isn't cleared out, it leads to some serious issues. We're talking about cells not working as well as they should, which can make you feel older faster. And what's more, it can actually increase your risk for a whole host of chronic illnesses.
Okay, but now for the good news. Your body isn't helpless against this junk. It has a powerful, natural-born cleanup crew ready to get to work. Let's see how this all fits together. And it has a name. Autophagy. It literally means self-eating. Kind of sounds strange, right? But it's your body's incredible way of tidying up. It breaks down those old, damaged parts and recycles them for energy or to build brand new, healthy cells. And get this isn't some new age fad. We're talking about fundamental biology here. In 2016, a Japanese scientist, Yoshinori Ohsumi, actually won the Nobel Prize for his groundbreaking discoveries about how autophagy works. So yeah, this is the real deal. In fact, scientists now see it as an absolutely cornerstone process for keeping our cells young, healthy, and functioning at their best. So that leads to the really big question: how do we actually turn it on? Well, it turns out that one of the most effective ways to activate your body's cleanup crew is surprisingly simple, and it's something you have complete control over.
This chart really nails it. See, when we're constantly snacking and eating, our cells have plenty of energy coming in from the outside. So the cleanup process, it basically stays dormant, switched off. But when we take a break from eating, when we fast, our cells have to get creative. They flip a switch and start looking for energy from inside, and they do that by recycling all that old junk.
So how long does it take? Well, research suggests that autophagy really starts to ramp up after about 16 hours without food. And that's exactly why you've probably heard so much buzz about the 16-8 intermittent fasting method. It's designed to hit that sweet spot.
All right, so what actually happens when you start activating this process on a regular basis? Well, the rewards are pretty significant, and they can affect your entire body.
First off, it's a seriously powerful anti-aging tool. When you clear out all those old, malfunctioning components, you're making way for renewal. You're helping your cells function more smoothly, which can keep things like your skin and your organs feeling and looking more youthful.
Second, it's a huge boost for your immune system. Think about it. Autophagy can literally help your body remove invading pathogens and faulty proteins. It's like giving your internal defenses an upgrade, making you more resilient.
Third, and this is a big one, it's absolutely crucial for your brain. It helps clear out cellular waste products like amyloid beta plaques, the very proteins that are linked to devastating conditions like Alzheimer's disease. And finally, it can help fend off metabolic diseases. By improving how your body handles sugar and burns fat, it can lower your risk for major issues like type 2 diabetes and obesity. It's a total game changer. Now, the best part of all of this is that you don't need some complicated program or expensive supplement to get started. Here's a really simple plan to help you activate your body's own cellular reset button.
So, here are 4 really powerful ways to get this process going. First, give fasting a shot. Just create a window of time, maybe 16 hours, where you're just not eating. Second, cut back on sugar. Keeping your blood sugar stable is so important because big spikes can shut autophagy right down. Third, get moving. A little light exercise puts a healthy kind of stress on your cells that signals, hey, time to clean house. And finally, prioritize sleep. Autophagy is naturally active while you're resting, so make sure you're getting enough of it.
Look, it really isn't about anything extreme.
It's simply about giving your body the time and the conditions that it needs to do what it already knows how to do best: repair, recycle, and rejuvenate itself from the inside out.
So, I'll leave you with this thought. What if the most powerful tool for your health doesn't come in a bottle, but is already hardwired into your own biology? By understanding and activating autophagy, you're tapping into your body's own incredible system for renewal. Thanks for watching.